Hey guys, we received this bunny outdoor statue planter. This is an outdoor statue, large rabbit, mother and baby rabbit decor planter, pot for a garden sculpture. So it comes in a very protective box. This is the barcode, just to see like which exact is this one. So just let me unbox this. And this is a protective styrofoam case so that it will not break. So this is very protective. And this is the lawn ornament, the resin statue for a yard, and this is around 17.5 inch in height. And you can see it's very pretty, and looks really nice. The coloring, structure, and design is pretty nice. Looks very good. And the quality wise, you can see this is a resin material. You can put the plants, but I just want to get it dirty. Looks really nice, so it's better as a ornament or a showpiece or something, or you can put some artificial flowers in it or the real flower, whatever you want to do. And you can see like everything is crafted very nice. The material is good. This is the water drainage thing that you can use, and also the quality itself. So very nice coloring, very nice carving, and everything is very nicely done here. Looks very nice, and yep, it's a very nice like the craftsmanship and good ornament for your lawn. See from the back also the coloring and the details are pretty nice. You can see it here. So it will be a good ornament for your lawn, and you can just put it anywhere you want.